You know, I thought I had seen everything when it comes to utility knives until I saw this. This is really a great idea. Okay, let me show you what this has. So, plain edge utility knife blade. But on the other side, oh, it's a serrated utility knife blade. And on the other end, well, what do we have here? That's a ceramic blade. Ceramic. And on the other side, it's a cutting hook. And this one, currently $22. All right, we also have the two-bladed model, which is a little shorter. It's a little bit shorter. And the two-bladed model, you know, it's got the hook. And on the other side, it's got plain edge blade right now. So this right here, this, you pull that up. If you want to change the blade, once that's up, you can just pull it all the way out. Basically, on any utility knife blade, there's two notches. All right, and then you see that wire there. It just goes into the notches and locks them in, right? It locks it in. All right, so this has two positions. Your first notch, that's your first notch, or you can push it up a little more, and that's your second notch. So when you deploy the blade, you just push on the side of the blade. But because of the shape of this wire, when you push it out, it unlocks. That's basically a safety. Unlocks the blade goes forward, comes back up, and the safety becomes the lock, right? So, for example, like that, right? And like on the other side, you know, it'll be like that, right? You see that? Has a wire pocket clip. That's always useful. Let's hold on. Let's demo the pocket clip while we're here. All right, can you see that? All right, so that's always useful. Have it at the ready. A lot of my subscribers work in shipping or inventory. You do warehouse work. You know, you just got to break down some boxes perhaps. And I don't really want to use my tactical knife on 100 boxes. You know what I mean? Like I want that. I want my last defense knife. You know, I want that to be super sharp when I need it, right? And you certainly don't, maybe you don't want to use your collectible knife. You have to break down 100 boxes at work. You know, you might, I would prefer to use a utility knife for that kind of work, you know what I'm saying? This is the serrated blade, which I bought off Amazon. The serrated blade is sharper than the plain edge that this came with, so you might want to replace the plain edge with a different brand of plain edge than the free ones that this comes with. You know, one of my favorite utility knives is the Milwaukee Fastback series, right? And I've already reviewed those Milwaukee Fastbacks. All right there, YouTube. I hope this video has been useful to you. I'll include links. I will also include a master list of all my other utility knives that I like. All right, YouTube. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been We All Juggle Knives, and now utility knives. I'm out.